It's one next thing about uno now. It's when me I play a match, uno vex. Uno know why me play no match. Lad Blinga, don't know. Don't know. Back to the show. Really? Really? What? 90% of the TikTok of them friend me. You understand? Uno begs. Uno no like peace. Make them blood clot friend me until when them start and we run out back on them pussy hole. I saw you go by so. Only at the TikTok of them and me talk. No. I don't see how we beat them over here so. But uno don't like that. Uno want girl for always blood clots in an argument with people. I don't like that. I can't live my life for please, you know. I have to do what I have to do for build my platform and my shit. It look like when I see this blood clot thing I want me do on the app have a pussy clot buzz. I have everybody I watch my court case. So if me sister the court cases I work for me more than the cussing, then that me have to gravitate to. You know why me sit down on one level every day I cuss girl in a class girl. Me no blood clot want that. Me no argue with Destiny. Destiny a slime bucket drunk crow. Me no know how you sit down and watch. That is somebody there. I talk about people, kids and people life and I put so much things on people name. Like who does that? You know worse than blood clot him. You know worse than him. Me say me not argue with blood clot him. You know what? Me argue with blood clot him. For what? To please blood clot. You know? What do they want me and Destiny to tear on the whole of Instagram? One day when me and that tear on the whole of Instagram. First of all, I don't make the money off of him. It's all about money. Me, you see her, it's all about money. Uno now blood clot change me. None of uno already have me a cuss up be a bad word. I do some shit what me not do. People, me a decent somebody. Me a no drunk or me a no dog shit. Me a tell you no. What happen is the niche when I come out with, a lot of people gravitate to it. You know? Cause mix up sell. Just like sex. When me start show my pussy and my body, you know, and my titty them, don't I really think that now go sell? You know how much people are waiting to see my body? You know how much people are waiting to see my kids? You see all them pussy all I have up my picnic on YouTube, but me tell you this. Me soon flag on a page because me left things and say una have to eat, but now I put up my picnic them. Me say me soon flag on a page. Just wait. Just wait. Have on fun. Just wait. Then you go here say, me I'm telling you all the wicked. You see when me make every page take down my content them, when I go say, oh me wicked, I'm shouldn't this, I'm shouldn't that. But listen, on the son of blogger I don't want to put up blood clot girl, no put up girl kids. No do that. So when me get up and do what me have a blood clot, you know I got to say, bad to bad, Bling shouldn't do that because all of we are human and Bling just want she alone for eat. The people them who are put up me never know that. As a blogger, you have to know what to do and what to put up. Seriously, you have to know. I'm tired of you. I just want to tell you this. I'm tired of what I want me do. I'm tired of how I want to run the platform. I'm tired. If me never did I do something right, but I don't have so much people that watch me at daytime. So it's obvious I'm doing something right. Not for to come over here so and come in at the box and sit down in the box. I don't just disrespect blood clad people. I don't just disrespect people. I'm sit down there, I'm watching them. I'm not saying nothing. I'm not saying nothing, you know. I just bill. But how much of this do you think I can take? I not live and seriously tired now. How me take the moderator? Chrissy, how me take the moderator from everybody? Chrissy, sorry. I'm not care who want click platform and go talk about me later, because that's all no blood clot. Do if you not call my name when you're not a buzz. Come suck me. Come suck me. Remember me go on a blood clot platform. You remember that. When you over there and call up my name, you remember say I'm me. I go on a platform and we take back that blood clot. So no go and fuck around me. No go and fuck around me. You see, if me did have bad mind and dirty heart and envious and covetous, somehow you even blood clot could have click live. Oh. So no still on click on a blood clot live and sit on my pussy clot name. That now me not lose sleep. I'm not hungry. To them I come out here say me I beg money for go to supermarket. See if me can ever get for blood clot beg. Me can't ever get for beg. Jesus. Sure don't ask me who trouble me because I'm not repeat myself to please you. So don't ask me. Don't ask me. When you see me I cuss, allow me make my cuss. Allow me make my cuss blood clot. Listen one next thing about Uno now. It's when me I play a match, Uno vex. Uno know why me play no match. Lad Blinga, don't know. Don't know. Back to the show. Really? Really? What the fuck are you giving me? Yeah, send a bills come over here, so. What you give me? You want me to stop play match? What is it you're giving me? Blinga, no more match. Alright, don't know. Me coming and look it. All you have to do is lift up. Lift up. Leave. Make them 5 loyal blood clot people them stay right here, so we're broke, our uncle can't tap the screen. Pussy clot man. Somebody else we come and can send one rose. I want one and heart. You and your blood clot give them go. Go. Come in and know if you don't feel like you want to do something for blood clots, me. So, you know go. I want to show me somebody else. Show me somebody else who in my category will bring something to TikTok. Show me. I want to start type the name them down there. Start type the name them down there, so. Show me somebody who in my category. Want to send me a mix-up woman. So show me a next mix-up woman will bring something to TikTok. Want to type a name, please. Let me see. Me can't grow like this with Uno. Uno toxic. Uno toxic. You see when Lady Grabber come up on the platform since morning, me tell her, I say, Lady Grabber, me can't keep the court case, but me have to remain neutral. It's no secret. Say, me like Lady Grabber. But me have to remain neutral. Me have to ask some questions like, why you trouble Lady P? Did she trouble you? You understand me? Is a case me I keep. So I have to ask those touchy questions. Uno want me and everybody fit in an argument and me and everybody fit in a war. Jesus Christ, me can't do this. Me can't do this. So I'm just, if Martin don't want to come back over here, I totally understand. But remember, I really thought it was a joke. And may I take moderator from everybody? All TikTok police. Everybody. Chrissy, Me need you to understand what me I do. You've been a good moderator to me. Kev Dan, you're super great and awesome. But I can't just come over here and act like say my life revolve around uno alone. No, there's a lot of people. Who forget moderator and get moderator, you know. Some true Blinga here will forget moderator and get moderator. And it's because I don't believe in moderator. I don't believe in having moderators. But because Chrissy been my moderator from over Instagram, me leave Chrissy as moderator. Gonna just put me in one position, and you see after now, me no want hear who was saying nothing about me. Me no care, me no business. A lot of you not gonna agree with my decision, but I just sometimes we have to just be apart. We just have to be apart because this shows true loyalty, true love, and everything. And me, so when me say, some people not gonna feel good about it, but it's fine.
Moderator on TikTok Live. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First, open the TikTok app on your device. Then tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Head over to live section from here. Now from here, you want to tap on the settings option. Once you're on your settings, tap on the moderators option. Then from here, you can find the list of moderators. Simply tap on the edit button. Now from here, you want to tap on the remove button, which is right next to manage access. And this is how you can remove someone as moderator on TikTok Live. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please